I'm Agent Sam Snow, and this is my partner, Kit Casey. And you're asleep.
These poor bats must be exhausted.
We're usually fast asleep during the day, and we'd both be asleep right now if it wasn't for... That sound!
Wow, it's even louder in person.
Mind if we take a look around?
Please, anything you can do to stop that sound.
You bats try and get some rest. We'll crack this case in no time.
Whoa! This place is huge!
Sam, I'm picking up some footprints over here. Looks like they're from an antelope.
Really? I'm picking up some buffalo prints over here.
And this one's a hyena. A lot of creatures must visit this cave. I wonder... Whoa! Watch your step there.
Hold up, Kit. I think you've just found another footprint.
I did?
Yep, and it's a big one. Any idea what could have made it?
Hard to say. I can't identify it because it's incomplete.
You mean this is only half a footprint? Have you ever heard of such a large creature visiting a cave?
Nope. This could be an entirely new cave creature, and we could be the first to discover it. It's a zoologist's dream come true. Want some?
No thanks. I can smell the salt from here. In fact, this whole cave is starting to smell like salt.
Come on, let's find that cave creature.
Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
Looks like claw marks, fresh ones. I wonder if that noisy cave creature made these.
So, it's a giant, noisy cave creature with claws sharp enough to scratch solid rock.
These rocks almost look like...
Look!
Hurry, before it gets away!
Hey, are you sure that chasing the giant cave creature is the best idea? Whoa! Kid, look out!
Check out some of the other Creature Cases videos on the channel.